Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Freeman, and on this channel I talk mainly on scholarships, study abroad, and job opportunities. In today's episode, we are going to look at how to find visa sponsored jobs in the UK. In this episode, I walk you through the step-by-step guide on how to not only find the jobs but specifically look for the jobs that are ready to sponsor your visa. This means that if you are employed in one of these positions, the company will be able to help you with documentations to be able to apply for a visa to move to UK and work with them. If you are new here, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below. Without wasting my time, let's go to the screen so that I show you how to do the application. So this is how the website looks like. It's like I said, a government website. So it's government. I'll put the link in the description below so that you can find it directly into this way. So when you come this way, you just have to read through what you are interested in. But in this video, we're interested in finding jobs. So if we go down here, we see start now to find a job. So if we click on start now, um, then we have the opportunity to go through all that. Firstly, I'll entreat you to create an account so that when you create the account, that way you can just apply for the jobs directly. To be able to get a visa sponsored jobs, what you can type is visa sponsorship, and then click on search, which means that you are finding the jobs in any part of the UK. If you click on search, then currently there are 2,101 visa sponsored jobs in the UK. You can go through this. There are different filters you can apply, which location you want it to, the minimum salary, the category that you are looking for, the type of contract, whether it's a permanent contract, and whether it's a full time job or part time job. This is what they are looking for. So if you open something like this, various jobs, if we want to start one, so let's look at staff nurse. So you have a full time, it's a permanent, it's an NHS job. What are the summary? So you go through all the information that is needed. We can go to click on apply for this job. So before you apply, these are the information that's needed. So we can go to the continue to the employer's website. Then this is closing by the 22nd of September. So yes, then they have all the information you need to read in your duties. Let's look at who we are looking for. Be NMC registered, so your pin should not have any restrictions or conditions. So for the nurses, I'm sure you understand this. You have nursing experience. You have all this information. Yeah, the job description is there. Desirability, your skills and knowledge, experience, uh, certificate of sponsorship. Applicants from job seekers who require current skilled worker sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applicants. For further information, click here. So they are saying that certificate of sponsorship. So if you are someone who doesn't have any work permit in the UK and you are applying, you should be aware that they will consider you amongst all others. Then applicants must have a current UK professional registration. So I'm sure that the nurses know about this registration. I'm sure there's a way to find it. And you can find more information on this. Yes. So this is they are prepared to sponsor for you to come if you are fit for the job. So this is how to find the job so easily. If we go back to the other jobs that are there, you can decide to go to logistics and warehouse jobs, social care, maybe maintenance, IT. So let's go to IT. So if we go to IT, we have product demonstration and trainer, we have web developer and all that. So let's click on one of the web developing. So you have the information here. If you want to see all the information that is needed, what skills you are needed, JavaScript and the rest. You have competitive salary, work permit. You must have the right to work in the UK. Visa sponsorship is not available for this time. So you realize that this particular job, they are not sponsoring visa. So it means that you must have a work permit in the UK before you can apply for this job. So if this is a job that doesn't fit you, you go back and then you continue. We can go to the next page. I mean, there are so many of them. So let's click on business information or digital PR specialist. So if you go down through the description, so work permission, then you say you must have the right to work in the UK. Visa sponsorship is not available at this time. So for this one too, they are not sponsoring the visa. So it is your responsibility to go through all the jobs and all, especially the jobs you are interested in, to find whether they sponsor the visa or not. So that is how you find the jobs. If you go through the jobs, see the ones that are ready to sponsor your visa, they write it there explicitly, and then you'll be able to apply for those jobs. So if we go back, I mean, yeah, we have IT. That was in IT. There are also different. There's HR. There's retail. There's engineering. So if we go to engineering, so we can click one of these. So let's say lighting design engineer, which is currently in Bradford, Yorkshire, and yeah, you can read through all this. You must have a full UK driver's license and blah blah blah. Yeah, so one thing you can also do is, if you find a job like this and you're interested and the details you are looking for are not clearly explained, you can click on apply for this job. Then it will take you click here, it will take you to the main website of the employer. Then you can read through. If there's something that you're interested in, you apply. Most of the time they put an email that you can contact, so you check through if there's an email that you can contact the person, or you can put your email and then you write an inquiry. And then, so in terms of applying, when you click here, you see for this, let's say you qualify for all these things, you just need to go down here, put your details, your CV, and then your cover letter, and then you click on apply, and then they'll get back to you. So that is how it is. The website is pretty simple, and it's very easy to apply. You can go through all the filters. You decide which filter you want to apply. Different types of jobs, logistics, admin jobs, and all that. There's also agriculture and fishery. So let's go to, yeah, mobile gardener, fundraiser. So these are things you can look in, and then I'm sure that you'll be able to find something that you are interested in. So this website, of course, you should bookmark it, because there's updates coming up all the time. They update it with new jobs that are available. So check this out, and then I'm sure that you'll be able to find a job that you are interested in. So if you are new here, this is my YouTube channel. You can check out all the other videos that I've made. I make videos on study abroad, scholarships, and jobs internationally. So you can check out all other videos I've made. Perhaps one of them will suit you. And remember to subscribe to this channel as I drop more videos, so that you'll be aware.